Hey everyone, this is Adam Homan checking in for our Interactive Advanced Concept Experiment 5, Fire with a Lemon. So the materials for this experiment called for, essentially we're making a battery out of lemon. This is what I was working with. You see the lemon there. On the left side of the lemon we have 6 brass tabs. I could not find copper tabs, so I dealt with brass. Brass is an alloy of zinc and copper, which I thought may have some negative consequences as far as the results I was expecting, and we'll see how that plays out. And on the right we have zinc-plated screws. And so down below we have some toilet paper sitting in the middle, and the 2 stainless steel wires coming from the lemon battery into the steel wool. The toilet paper there ripped up in the middle is what we anticipate starting on fire from the battery and the flow of electricity. The reaction itself, the acid inside the lemon will oxidize the zinc on the nail or the screw in my instance. Those positively charged ions will move up into the nail as it oxidizes in the acid. The charged ions move from the nail through the stainless steel wire to the copper, supposed to be copper tabs. I use brass, which is an alloy of copper and zinc, the clips there. And copper naturally attracts electrons. So the exchange of electrons between the zinc and copper creates that current of electricity that we anticipate on top of the steel wool is the toilet paper that we would hopefully see the fire start. In my attempt, as the video showed that was posted, the zinc screws and brass, for my instance, brass tabs on the left are connected via stainless steel wire. The last screw and the first tab have wire connected to them that goes into the steel wool right underneath the toilet paper. After 15 minutes, I still saw no reaction. And then after 30 minutes, still nothing. And unfortunately, I didn't see the fire. And really my main reasoning for that would be because of the brass. And I'm thinking that because it's an alloy of brass, of copper and zinc, that may have affected the redox reaction that we're seeing within the lemon between the tabs and the screws, and therefore not enough electrical current to conduct and create a fire. So in conclusion, like I mentioned, I did not see the results I anticipated to see from this experiment where the toilet paper itself would catch on fire from the electrical current created from the zinc in the screws, the supposed to be copper, or in my instance brass, from the tabs, and the stainless steel wire connected to the steel wool where the toilet paper was sitting on top of. My main reason for what I think why I did not see the expected results of a fire start with the toilet paper from the electrical current is the brass. And I may look into that further and see if the alloy of copper and zinc has anything to do with why the fire did not start and why maybe there wasn't enough electrical current to initiate that fire. So that was my experiment. And this is Adam Homan, and if anyone has any questions, reach out. Thank you.